Dissolution testing is a critical aspect of drug development and quality control in the pharmaceutical industry. Here are some common questions and answers related to dissolution testers. Q1. What is a dissolution tester? Answer. A dissolution tester is an apparatus used to measure the rate at which a drug substance dissolves in a given solvent. It helps in evaluating the performance of oral dosage forms like tablets and capsules by simulating the conditions in the gastrointestinal tract. Q2. What are the common types of dissolution testers? Answer. The common types of dissolution testers include basket apparatus 1 uses a rotating basket to hold the dosage form. Paddle apparatus 2 uses a rotating paddle to agitate the dissolution medium. Reciprocating cylinder apparatus 3 uses a cylinder that reciprocates up and down in the medium. Flow-through cell apparatus 4 uses a continuous flow of dissolution medium through a cell containing the dosage form. Paddle over disc apparatus 5 combines elements of apparatus 2 and 3 for transdermal systems. Rotating cylinder apparatus 6 uses a rotating cylinder for transdermal systems. Reciprocating holder apparatus 7 uses reciprocating motion for low solubility drugs. Q3. How is a dissolution test conducted? Answer. A dissolution test is conducted by placing the dosage form in the dissolution tester, which contains a specific volume of dissolution medium maintained at a specific temperature, usually 37 C. The apparatus agitates the medium at a predetermined speed, and samples are taken at specified intervals to measure the amount of drug dissolved. Q4. What parameters are critical for dissolution testing? Answer. Critical parameters include agitation speed, the speed of the basket or paddle, usually 50 revolutions per minute minus 100 revolution per minute. Dissolution medium, the type and volume of the medium, typically 500 milliliters minus 1000 milliliter of aqueous solutions with varying pH. Temperature, typically maintained at 37 C to simulate body conditions. Sampling time points, specific intervals at which samples are taken to measure drug dissolution. Q5. What is the purpose of calibrating a dissolution tester? Answer. Calibration ensures that the dissolution tester is operating correctly and producing accurate and reproducible results. It involves checking parameters like temperature, speed, and apparatus dimensions against known standards. Q6. Describe a situation where you had to troubleshoot a dissolution tester. Answer. In a previous role, I encountered an issue where the dissolution results were inconsistent. I first checked the calibration of the apparatus, ensuring the paddle speed and temperature were within specified limits. Then, I reviewed the preparation of the dissolution medium and the sample handling process. By systematically addressing each potential issue, I identified that an inconsistent paddle alignment was causing variability. After correcting this, the results became consistent. Q7. What steps would you take if dissolution test results show high variability? Answer. If test results show high variability, I would check calibration. Ensure the dissolution tester is properly calibrated. Review procedure. Verify that the dissolution medium and test conditions are consistent. Inspect apparatus. Look for any mechanical issues or misalignment in the apparatus. Sample handling. Ensure consistent sample preparation and handling. Repeat testing. Conduct repeat tests to confirm variability and identify patterns. Document findings, record observations, and implement corrective actions as necessary. Q8. What is the significance of using different dissolution media? Answer. Using different dissolution media helps simulate various physiological conditions and can provide insight into the drug's behavior in different parts of the gastrointestinal tract. Media with varying pH levels can mimic the stomach, intestines, and other environments, helping predict the drug's dissolution and absorption profile. Q9. Can you explain the concept of sink conditions in dissolution testing? Answer. Sink conditions refer to the scenario where the volume of the dissolution medium is sufficient to dissolve the entire amount of the drug present in the dosage form without saturating the solution. This ensures that the dissolution process is not limited by the solubility of the drug, providing an accurate measure of the dissolution rate. Q10. How do you prepare the dissolution medium for a test? Answer. Preparing the dissolution medium involves selecting the appropriate medium based on the drug's properties and regulatory guidelines. Measuring and mixing, accurately measuring and mixing the components, such as buffers or surfactants. Degassing, removing dissolved gases by heating, or using a vacuum to prevent air bubbles that could affect the dissolution process. Temperature control, ensuring the medium is at the correct temperature, usually 37 C. Conclusion: understanding the principles and practices of dissolution testing is critical for ensuring the quality and performance of pharmaceutical products. Preparing for these questions and answers will help demonstrate your expertise in handling dissolution testers and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards.